Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever been stuck with the headphone icon on your device, even when you've unplugged your headphones, you know how frustrating it can be. No worries, today I'm here to show you how to fix the headphone icon issue on any device instantly. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's go through some basic troubleshooting. Sometimes the solution is simpler than you think. Start by plugging in your headphones and then unplugging them again. Do this a couple of times. It might just help your device recognize that the headphones have been disconnected. If the icon persists, there might be some dirt or debris in the headphone jack. Grab a flashlight and take a close look. If you see any dirt, gently clean it out with a small, dry, soft bristled brush. Be careful not to push the debris further in. Step 3. Next up, try toggling the airplane mode on and then off. This can sometimes reset your device's audio settings and get rid of the stubborn headphone icon. If the icon is still there, let's do a quick restart. Turning your device off and on again can resolve a variety of issues, including this one. Still no luck? It's time to check for any software updates. A pending updates could be the culprit behind the headphone icon glitch. Go to your device's settings. Then look for software updates, and if there's one available, install it. If none of these steps work, you might need to consider a factory reset. Remember, this will erase all data on your device, so make sure to back up everything important before proceeding. Once you're ready, you can find the factory reset option in your device's settings under System Management. And there you have it. These steps should help you get rid of that pesky headphone icon and get your device back to normal. If you've tried everything and then also the issue persists, it might be time to contact the manufacturer or a professional technician for further assistance. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech solutions.